In this series of video, we'll learn how to use Siri shortcuts on an iPhone. So currently I have iPhone 15 Pro. So once you go to the Siri shortcuts, and here we can see all shortcuts. So you can see there are a lot of shortcuts which will be already there. So I have added few more, which is water eject, which I have downloaded, and log my weight, discount, these two I have created. So first and foremost, let's just go to discount. Okay, and let's see how does it work. So I'll enter the amount, which is 2500, and the discount would be 33.5, just because store wants to be a little weird. And this is the amount. So you see saved, price, discount, and the amount, final amount payable. And you can see it's in formatted to decimal places, and also so the symbol you're seeing is in rupees because I'm from India. So you can put your own country symbols. So let's just say how it's done. So I'll teach you guys how to make it, as well as I'll put this in my description so you can download it. But I would like you guys to make on your own, so I'll teach you also how to do it. So first and foremost, you see this symbol, you can just click on it and say ask for input, which is basically we want it. It takes a number and the text is supposed to be what's the price, and I'll be setting into, let's see, set a variable. So for the people who have learned programming, this will be very easy, and for the people who haven't, let's just say the setting a variable means a place where you store a value which is going to be uh, entered by a user when this is asked for the input. So similar to that, next would be again what's the discount? We are saying discount. And how do we calculate discount? Discount is calculated basically by discount into original price divided by 100. Here I have done discount divided by 100 into original price. It's one of the same thing. And later on, I have used a format number to format the number. And here I have used to calculate it. If I can see, it's just a calculate. So all these things we'll see, and that is final. We are showing it into show alert symbol. So let's just go ahead and show it the home screen of all shortcuts. Let's just say add new shortcut, rename, let's just say discount. You can put discount because since I already have, I'll just put this. Add an action. Since I have added to favorites, I can just say ask for input, or else you can just search it. I'll just say ask for input, and you'll get ask for input. And just say text, I wanted a number with prompt amount. Okay, my bad. Yeah, sorry. Done. Oh, so let's just say what it does. So it asks for the amount, as you can see, 2500, nothing. So have you noticed when I click on this, it directly gives me a number pad, not a text where you go to the number and see that. Because we have asked for the amount as to be a number type. Let's just say done. So go ahead, and what do we need to do? We need to store it into a variable called amount. Okay, let's just set variable. Variable name will be amount. This time I could spell it. Okay, let's just say done. And what do we want? We want to repeat the same thing. Ask for input, text number. So if you see, there are a lot of things: URL, date and time. We'll learn later. Yeah. So let's just say discount. And guys, this is my first YouTube video, so I'm very um, pardon all my grammatical mistakes and my nervousness. Okay. Variable, set a variable. We want to set a variable, and let's just say this. Okay, and done. So since we got the amount and the discount, now we need to calculate it. So let's go save it, calculate it, which is going to be discount. Okay, it automatically added. Number is going, this we are going to do division by 100. Okay, done. And again we'll calculate it, the same thing, the result of it. So if you see a join here, it provides you the value. So if you see calculation result, which shows that this particular calculation result will be added directly here in this tab. So what do we need to do? Basically multiply uh, calculation result multiply the amount. So you can search for amount here, as we do not want to put. So this is the variable. Okay, so what do we need is show alert. What we want to show is, let's just put in a very simple format, uh, amount is going to be amount, then discount is going to be discount, and since we haven't set the result, so we'll just say done here, and we put a set variable. Now you can drag it on top. Okay, now you can see it has already, so Apple is smart enough to tell you, so it has already added it, set a variable. I'll just have to put a variable name. I'll just put final amount, done. And you can format it. So if you want to format it, let's just say format number. Let's just say I'll put a format here. So format a calculation result to 2 decimal points. You can go ahead and see, you can increase the decimal points. And final result, calculation, show alert, amount, discount. Now let's just say final amount payable. So which is a final amount, correct? Yeah, let's say done. Let's say whether it works or not. I guess it should work. We can directly go ahead and run it from bottom. So 2500 done, and 33.5 same thing. And you see, oh, this is the discount and the final payment. My bad, I'm so sorry. So it has given it in here. So it is going to be a discount percentage and discounted value will be this final, or we'll just change the name of it. It's not final amount, discount, discount amount. So it automatically replaces it, but we do not want it. So let's just go ahead and say discounted amount. Now we need to calculate it, right? So what will be the result? Okay, let's just Say done here as of now. What we can do here is either calculate it and set it to a new variable. That is what we're going to do. So we'll go to the favorites, calculate, put it on top little here. Number is going to be discounted amount plus the amount. Yeah. And now the amount payable is going to be, oh, we need to set it to variable. I'm so sorry. So discounted, and directly got the calculated result. Discounted. So let's just say now this is the final amount. Done. Now here we need to find the final amount. Let's just, and we'll play it from here. 2500, 33.5. And now what is it? It needs to subtract, not add. No wonder. Final amount minus clear variable. What would be the thing? Is discounted, correct? Discounted amount. Amount minus discounted amount, which is going to be final amount, which will. Now let's run, hopefully for the last time. 33.5. Now the amount is 2500, discount percentage is 33.5, discounted value is this much, and total final. Yes, correct. Yeah, so similar to that, guys, we learn how to do it for logging my weight, which is going to add directly, which is nothing much, log to health sample. You need to give permission to your Siri shortcuts to add your health samples to your health app. And yeah, so it's the same thing. Ask for the how much weight, and the type is weight. The value is provided by this, and this is in LBS. Date is optional. Nothing much. So you can go ahead and create similar to that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in next video, hopefully.